Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we learned how to insert a new node anywhere in a given circular double linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video let's learn how to traverse a circular double linked list. So let's say this is our circular double linked list that we want to traverse. So the idea is very simple. All that we have to do is we have to start from the first node. And where do we get to know which is the first node? That head will tell us. Once we visit node 1, we print its value. Then we go to node 2, print its value. Meanwhile, we also keep a check on if the current node's address is equal to tel or not. Because tel will always be pointing to the last node. So if the current node's address is equal to tel, that means current node is the last node, and hence we need to stop the loop. Else the problem is, since this is a circular double linked list, it might go over to first node and the loop will never terminate. So next we go to node 3, print its value, compare that its address is not equal to tel. So we can go to next node. We go to node 4, print its value, see that the address of this is equal to tel. That means node 4 is the last node and we have to terminate the loop. So we print node 4's value and terminate the loop after that. Now let's see how does the algorithm for this looks like. So the algorithm is extremely simple. Name of the method is traverse linked list. It says if head double is equal to null, then return. That means if there are no nodes in the list, then simply return. Else we create a loop starting from head to tel. And every time we visit the node, we print its value. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So checking if head is equal to null or not, it is a constant time operation. Looping from head till tel, it essentially involves visiting each and every node. So that is order of n time complexity. Printing current node's value is a constant time operation. So if we add all of them, we get time complexity of order of n. Now the space complexity is again order of 1. The reason is we are using some temporary variables here and there for running the loop and all, but we are not using any number of variables which is proportional to the size of the list. Hence the space complexity is order of 1. So with that we come to end of this video. In the next video, let's see how we can reverse traverse a given circular double linked list. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.